All right, so that's just preparation in case this is a swarm.
Yeah, and give them something to look at. They're looking at it. That was a quick response.
Yeah. Oh man, they really are picking up on it.
Yeah. They're going to it. I believe that is a swarm coming in.
Well, it's a good thing we came over today instead of tomorrow.
Yeah. Sure is.
Yeah, 10 minutes ago there wasn't a quarter of this many bees flying around.
If they go to that box, it'll probably take them about 5-10 minutes before the queen probably hadn't come out yet.
Well, how long will it take for her to figure out where everybody went?
She'll smell it.
Okay.
What they do, they just do like they're doing now, and then when they all get out that's going, they'll kind of get up and just take off.
Okay.
They'll start, yeah. But
this time, they're not going to have to take off anywhere.
I hope they go right to it. I mean, if it's too large a swarm for the box,
We'll put another one on it.
yeah, I got another box, but
This is fabulous.
since you're doing a good video, I'm not going to try to do it.
All right.
My phone doesn't have very much time on it anyway. They're really going to it now.
Yes, they are.
Yeah. They're all over that box. You talk about luck.
That wasn't luck, that was observation.
Well, seeing them, but getting here at the right time.
Yeah.
I hadn't been here in 2 weeks or more.
And just within minutes, it went from a bunch of bees flying around to a swarm.
And I knew it was time to come on up here. I mean,
It's got to be a swarm. I mean,
oh yeah,
they're banging all over me, but nobody's offered to stand.
It's no question. And doing it this way, you can't see a cluster of bees and guesstimate how many pounds you have.
Right.
You just have to see how many frames they cover once we open them back up.
But Mike, they just, I got the video on the door, and they just marching right in.
They are. This is a better video than that other one. The other one, they had to go in the box.
Yeah.
But now they're going to the box from straight out of the hive.
I mean, the whole front of the hive, the landing pad, is covered.
You think they might like that Swarm Commander?
I think they do.
You reckon we ought to do a commercial for Scott Derrick?
I think we just did.
Your Swarm Commander works.
Dude. Outstanding.
And we didn't buy any the other day.
It's what?
And we didn't buy any the other day.
No, we didn't buy any. We should have.
We're fanning right here.
Certainly are. Got the little butts in the air doing their thing.
They're going back in the hive now, so the workforce is going back in the hive. The swarm, I think, is all out. talking too much here.
Yeah, because there's bees all in that grass.
Queen could have dropped down somewhere. Back up and take and look at the air. I'll show you how gentle they are. A swarm is nothing to worry about, folks. You can get right out in amongst them. And they can be all around you. You can stand right in the middle of them.
Which you are obviously doing.
Yeah. They're going right here to that box. They're going home. I would say the queen's probably already in the box. I don't see them clustered anywhere.
Well, I saw a bright golden orange. Looked like she had a little bit of a boat tail on her.
Yeah.
I saw something that looked like that going, but it was just a brief look. But she was more orange than these kids are.
Well, I'd say we got them.
I think you do.
We can let it sit here and let them march in while I check these other hives.
Now, I guess the Boy Scout motto is right. Always be prepared. Good thing you had that box with you.
Yeah, I got it ready before I left.
Yeah.
Because I was halfway expecting to see one hanging somewhere, or or hopefully in one of my bait hives.
Well, the bait hive's not showing any activity, but
Yeah.
you put this one in the right place.
Wind's blowing right that way.
Yeah. Like I said, I think you have just done a commercial for Swarm Commander. I'm convinced.
Yeah. It works.
Apparently. All right, I'm going to shut this one down.
All right.